Ultimately, I just want to thank the Monmouth College experience, the hands-on approach that has made this a personal experience from professors to faculty to staff. Everyone cares, and it truly is a family.
I'd like to thank my parents and my brother Robert for helping me manage everything that's been going on in the last 4 years, and I also want to thank Einstein's Coffee for helping me pull all-nighters.
I'd just like to thank my accounting department and my family for getting me through college.
I would like to thank Monmouth College's partnership with the University of Highlands and Islands for making my study abroad experience possible.
And secondly, I also want to thank the classics department, especially Professor Sinkowitz. He encouraged me to do something that I never thought that I would be able to continue, and I fell in love with classics and continuing my Latin.
I just want to give a big thanks to my friends, my family, my advisor, and all the professors in the communication department.